Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video I'm going to show you the Zilliqa live price prediction, which is the 54th position in a cryptocurrencies market. Now let's see the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. So please click the subscribe button now for more latest news and updates about Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies of previous 2 hours. Yes, as you can see here, the change is a positive 1.58% change in the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in a previous 2 hours. And the high price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the last 2 hours is $0.16906 is the high price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in a market. As you can see here, as the graph of the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, so it's a jumping upward. It's a jumping time of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, but unfortunately at this time currently they are falling down, as you can see here. So it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. It's the best time to sell it. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box. And now let's see the live price prediction of previous 1 hour. What's good in the last 1 hour of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, the result is also in positive, but currently they are falling down. As you can see on the graph, currently they are falling down. The chart is in positive, but currently they are falling down. So it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. I said be safe from loss. The change is in positive 1.73%, and the high price is $0.16906 is the high price of Zilliqa in a previous 1 hour result. So that is the live price prediction of Zilliqa in the last 1 hour. Please don't forget to subscribe to Abby's Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market.